Okay, so start off with some hot lemon water. I'm going to time it live so you can see. I mean, come on, 7 minutes. You can barely make a cup of tea in that time. Okay, so start off with some hot lemon water. Nothing to do with cleaning headlights, it's just that's how I work now. Saturday night, rock and roll, you know what I'm saying? Right, headlight cleaning kits. I know there's loads of videos online about how you do it, but sometimes it's good just to see what a real life demonstration. This is a little kit I got from Holt's. There's a link below, you can get it from Amazon. I've already used this once before, and that's why I like to do this video, to show that you can get more than one use out of it. Works really, really well, and all it's doing is using different grits of wet and dry. That's all it is. There's nothing more complicated to clean your headlights than that. But it's important to get the right one. You start off on a low number and you work your way up. So it starts off, the lowest is 800. And all that means is that there's 800 grit particles per square centimeter. The next one up, 1,000 particles per square centimeter. Next one up, 1,500. Same idea. Once you've done all that, importantly, when you're rubbing the headlight down, just clean it with water. Clean both the headlight and your sanding disc, which goes onto this handy little adapter that they give you. It's all Velcro, sticks on. You put it on your drill, put it on a lower speed because you don't want to like burn into the headlights, because it's only plastic after all, and just keep working away. Mask up the area. I'm going to show you how to do all of that. Now, here's a little tip for you. If you happen to wear these out, I've got loads of these. You can buy these to go on obviously a larger drill, and all you want to do, just get one of these, draw around it, cut it down to size, they're Velcro, stick it on, and away you go. Then you can just use this forever. Just buy these, which you can actually get individually, and you can buy the same grades. You can buy your 800, your 1,000 and your 1,500. Once you've gone down through the grits, you've got it all clean, you polish it, and it gives you a little handy polishing kit as well. You get loads in it. After that, clean it all, dry it all, couple of coats of little clear spray, and that's it. Enough talk, let's go and get it on the car and see how she looks. So you can see here just how yellow they're starting to look. And it really does spoil the look of the car. So as my bonnet is on the top of the light there, the easiest thing to do is open it. And that way I'm not going to worry about catching the paintwork around the edge, at least on the top anyway. Right, that should do it. So start with the 800, that's the most coarse. Just a bucket of water. So once I've gone left to right, I like to go up and down now. better. Okay, it's the first grade of paper done. It will go all cloudy now. So that's 800 grit. The other side's not done. So let's take off the 800. Go on with 1000. That's 1000. Now the last one, 1500. It's so smooth that I can't even work out what side is the bit that you stick. That side. That's on there. It's a good idea to wash down your engine bay. It does make a bit of a mess. Obviously I've got my bonnet open, so before it dries, it's going to get the hose out. Just do a second amount of polish. Right, moment of truth. There she goes. Look at that, beautiful. So what did that take me? 10 minutes, 12 minutes? Before, after. Don't need to say much more than that. It really isn't much more difficult than that. Go down through the 3 stages of wet and dry, 800, 1000, 1500, bit of polish. Of polish. So once she's all dry, you can give her a coat of clear coat and that'll hold it. But I'll tell you what, I haven't been able to see inside these lights for probably about a year. I forgot what they look like. Beautiful. Compare it to the other side. Yeah, you can't really see what's going on in there. So what I thought to do is I'm going to time it live so you can see. So I'm not going to edit this. There's my little Rolex. Yeah, I wish. It's a Seiko. Maybe if I get to 1 million subscribers, I can get myself a Rolex. So what I'll do is I'll put it here. See if I can stand that up somewhere. So it's exactly 20 past. I've got my 800 grit on it. Let's do it. camera, hope you can see. Hopefully, yeah, you can just about see my watch. Water. Okay, 1000 grit coming up. Some grit. Are we still recording? Yes. Right, 1500 grit coming up. Polish time. second bit of polish. We are done. So, by my reckoning, that was 7 minutes. 7 minutes. Let's see what it looks like. I mean, come on. 7 minutes. You can barely make a cup of tea in that time. Like and subscribe. Unfortunately, it's just started to rain, but it's never stopped me in the past fixing stuff. I've just gone over this with a heat gun, made sure it's nice and dry. I've masked off the area, so let's give it a little coat of clear coat. Nice. Just a thin coat, you don't want to go too heavy. Simple as that.
Baby, I'm a gangster too.
So this is the third time I've used this kit. These are still good, all of these grades here. I keep them together, little clip there, so that they're all nice and straight the next time I use them. Loads of spray left, loads of polish left, and for the cost of what this kit cost me, I bought this 5 years ago. 5 years ago, and it's going to be good probably for another 5 years. It'll last for ages if you look after your stuff.